Please be advised that the contents of this video may be disturbing to some. Please also note that the video is not real. Any use of the EAS tones to attempt to incite panic is a felony, and I am not liable for any misuse of the tones.
Humankind has looked to the stars. The universe has always been a source of fascination and of mystery. How was the cosmos born? What else might the universe contain?
This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. An unexpected heat wave has been noticed by weather experts. It is recommended that everyone get to an air-conditioned environment as the heat could exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Stay tuned to news channels for more information. This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. The heat wave is showing patterns that it will continue indefinitely through the week. If you must leave your homes, move as quickly as you can, as multiple people throughout the country have died as a result of the heat. Stay tuned for further updates. This message is being transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in conjunction with other federal and weather agencies. The cause of the heat has been identified as a precursor to the sun's death. There is no way to survive this, as at this time we have no ability to evacuate the Earth on a massive scale. This marks the end of humanity. The President has already given his final address and has committed suicide. The United States government has disbanded. We will play the anthem one final time. Ceasing transmissions at the tone.